Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix aim shake in Free Fire PC. So if you are using Bluestack, you need to update Bluestack to the latest version because the latest version is remove the minor issues kind of thing. So you have to download and install Bluestack version 4.2 or higher version, and because this version includes important sensitivity improvement and fixes for aim shake and recoil issues. So other than that, you can adjust Windows mouse setting. To do that, go to search bar, search for mouse, tap on mouse setting, scroll down and go to additional mouse setting, go to pointer option tab, make sure to tick the enhance pointer precision. If you see it is like this, you have to tick this one and tap on apply, tap on OK. Then you need to close this one, and if you are using Bluestack, you need to disable mouse acceleration. To do that, open Bluestack setting, navigate to game controls, advanced setting option, disable any mouse acceleration or smooth option. So this ensures the raw mouse input is used, improving aim stability. And you can configure Free Fire in-game sensitivity setting. When you launch the Free Fire, go to setting of that game, go to controls and go to sensitivity, and set aim precision is the default, and set left fire button to scope only. And you can use some recommended registry editor fixes, because some players use registry tweaks like registry files. You can find these files using internet. So you can browse like Bluestack mouse fix kind of things. Then after, you can edit the registry files like this, and there are some videos also there to how to fix the Bluestack related mouse fix, so you can follow those videos also. And finally, you can change and adjust the DPI and sensitivity of your mouse. If your mouse can be adjustable DPI setting, you can make the DPI around 400 to 800 for better control. So avoid very high DPI, it can be cause shaky aim. So these are the methods you can try to fix aim shake in Free Fire when you are playing using PC. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.